$1 billion worth of Shiba coins has been staked on shibaswap here. This is record breaking stuff, guys. I'm gonna try and explain to you today how this is big and how this is just monumental for the whole crypto space. That something like this is even possible, that a community such as this is so strong that $1 billion has already been staked in just 24 hours from the release of shibaswap here. Like I said, breaking all of the records here. So if you are a Shiba Inu holder or you want to invest into this coin in the future, then really need to watch the entire video to understand what has happened to this coin and what will happen to this coin in the future. Super excited, so let's begin. So here we are, coin market cap. Let's check out what's been happening to this coin for the last couple of hours, the last couple of days. As you can see here, the coin has been going down, so we are going down by 10% here. So what happened? Basically, Bitcoin did go down, so Bitcoin did have a massive dump here, and just because of that, the value of Shiba Inu did go down. Can you see the volume? $450 million right now, so 11% down. So let's check out what's happened here. Because a lot of people did stake, we broke the record. We did $1 billion worth of staking, which is insane. That is an insane number here. So I think Shiba Inu here did talk about, yeah, there you go. So it says here $1 billion. So total value locked in a single day. Incredible. Come to shibaswap.com and stake, bury, farm, dig, get rewards and trade your tokens with us. There you go. So yeah, Bone is getting listed on exchange. So this is the first exchange that is listing this coin. So that's pretty interesting to see. You'll be able to purchase Bone through this exchange here. So that's awesome to see. It's pretty interesting. If you do want to directly purchase Bone, there you go. This is the best way you can do it probably for now. So like I said, interesting to see what's happening here to Bone and the whole shibaswap ecosystem. Like I said, shibaswap is going to be basically something that's going to be good for the long term. So people will just overhyped right now. People are just seeing like what is happening, that Shiba Inu scam us. Now, of course not. This is what exactly should happen to the coin, where we gradually will, just because of this, go up, because we're losing coins in circulation. That's the whole point. So let's continue. I want to talk about what Satoshi here did talk about the coins. So Cointelegraph did mention this. I want to talk about Cointelegraph. Oh, first we're going to talk about Satoshi, then we're going to talk about Cointelegraph. So Farrakhan, where is my Ferrari, bro? There you go. So I want to talk only what Satoshi said here. So just spent an hour talking about cryptocurrency, which means I officially don't have a job. Let us know when you start using shibaswap. Oh yeah, about this. It says we finally released shibaswap, so the FUD is over. Looks at him, at her. So the FUD is over, right? No, the FUD will never be over. You're always gonna have haters and people who want to destroy the coin and who don't like to see other people succeed. That's the biggest thing. So there you go. Pretty much. Hopefully this coin will continue to go up. Like I said, because of Bitcoin, we are going down. That's the only reason we are going down. There's no other reason we're going down. People want this coin to go up, but it can't go up if the whole market is going down. And that's just it. That's just it. Some coins can pump, and that pump is going to last a couple of days here. After that, if Bitcoin goes down, then that coin also will go down with Bitcoin. Just every single coin goes down eventually, guys, just because of Bitcoin, because we are in the bearish market. But when we do enter the bullish market again in the future, something like that won't basically happen. Even if it does happen, it's going to happen a little bit, not a lot here. So there you go. But let's continue. Let's go to the, well, I want to talk about this. So it says here, Shiba Inu, the DEX shibaswap surpasses 1 billion TVL 24 hours after launch. So there you go. 24 hours after launching, Shiba's new shibaswap DeFi platform surpassed 1 billion in total value locked, and it is raising fees on the Ethereum network. So there you go, we're breaking everything. So shibaswap launches raises gas costs. So excitement in Shiba Inu community was ignited on Tuesday with the release of shibaswap, a newly created swap interface for token holders to utilize. So there you go, Shiba the post here. Yeah, SHIB token the post here. When shibaswap is now live. Ethereum gas fees had been near unprecedented lows since the Berlin upgrade, but the launch of shibaswap resulted in noticeable uptick in gas costs, a phenomenon highlighted by crypto Twitter trader Joe. Shiba Inu coin SHIB launched a decentralized exchange, shibaswap, There you go. He said if we check Ethereum scan, we can see that the number one gas guzzler is the shibaswap contract. So third is the Shiba token, and fourth is the Shiba migrators. So basically just taking all of the gases. Well, the statistics have been changed slightly since this tweet was posted. The 3 contract addresses identified by Joe here remain in the top 10 gas guzzlers, and the Shiba migrator now ranks third in terms of gas generated in the last 3 hours. As seen in the table above, the only other contract generated from Ethereum fees over the past 24 hours is Uniswap version 2. So we're breaking Uniswap. We're just taking more volume here than Uniswap. So total volume locked in ShibaSwap surpasses 1 billion. So while some networks have been accused of using spam transactions to increase on-chain activity, this is not the case with Shiba Inu, as the total volume locked on the platform surpassed 1 billion just 1 day after its launch. So there you go. This is the strong sign of support for newly realized interface, which now ranks in the top 30 in terms of total volume locked, according to data from DeFi Llama. So there you go, we're 30th place for the total volume locked in just 1 day. In just 1 day. This is why we're gonna break all the records. So I wanna talk about this. Look at this. So whoops, sorry reality. This is the #1 most upvoted post saying it took 4 years for Uniswap to reach 5.7 billion. It took 1 year for SushiSwap to get to 2.9 billion. It took 1 day for ShibaSwap to get to 1.14 billion. There you go. Insane. Insane seeing something like this. So pretty much we're breaking, like I said, all the records here. This number here will continue. More and more people will stake, because a lot of people don't even understand what staking is all about and what does this mean and what are you doing. So it's basically you lock in your coins so you can get rewards, and by getting rewards you're getting more coins, and that's it. You're getting Bone, and I think you're getting Shiba tokens also. The more you're locked, the more you get. So there you go. And the more you lock into, the more you get. So the longer you lock and the more you have lock, you will get more rewards basically. But that means you can't sell. That means you're not gonna sell the coin anytime soon here. So that's the problem with that. Just awesome. Here's all the motherfuckers out there. Cheers, Shiba Army. Cheers. $1. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go to that 0.01 if we can ever in the future. Super cool, but let's continue. We got more updates. So it says here, Visa says that more than 1 billion worth of cryptocurrency was spent by consumers globally on goods and services through their crypto-linked cards in the first 6 months of the year. And then someone replies saying 1 billion of Shiba Inu coins was put into the ShibaSwap in less than 24 hours. There you go. This is how it works. So breaking every single, so all the consumers through Visa cards have spent in just 6 months like over $1 billion worth of crypto assets. But Shiba Inu coin has been staked 1 billion. There you go, $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu coins have been staked. Like I said, breaking all of the record. Super cool here to see. Want to talk about here, I think eToro did mention something about the coin here, if I can find it, if that's possible even. They are pretty interesting to see. There you go. See Toro posting more things saying, call me Doge 2.0 Shib on CT. We are OP. We are the best. We are the strongest. Nobody can reach us at all. Yeah, woof woof. This is the last one I want to show you guys. So this isn't Shitoshi, this is somebody else, but saying here, hello Coinbase Pro, Robinhood app, and eToro. The ball is in your court. Are you guys going to list Shiba yet or not? Let's go. It says not until Certic audit is complete. It still says onboarding. Yes, we need the Certic audit. Audit still not complete. There you go. That's the biggest problem. So we need to wait out for the audit. So that's also a huge problem we always forget about. So do be wary of that. So let's go here to the chart to check out what just happened. So as you can see, the whole market is going down. If you go to Bitcoin, you can just see a massive dump for the whole coin. If you do measure this dump, it's from here to here. So it's a 7 to 8% dump, which is a huge dump here for Bitcoin. We did go down by a lot here, but as you can see, like I said, we're still pretty much okay. Hopefully Bitcoin will not continue to go down anymore. I don't think it will, because we already reached like the RSI. Look at the RSI. The RSI is already super down right now. I don't think we're going to go down anymore right now. What's going to happen is basically a lot of stabilization here for Bitcoin. Again, I'm seeing a new graph here forming. We're forming another triangle here that's going to be pretty interesting. but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna just show you guys the triangle here for a couple of seconds. Oh, this line is perfect, but we're making this giant triangle here, so hopefully good things are going to happen here to the coin. But we're gonna see this triangle still has been forming. We're pretty close to the end of this kind of triangle, and hopefully we do break to the top side. And if we do break to the top side, we're gonna reach all the way to this level and maybe even more, maybe even hitting $38,000. It all depends on how much buying power we're gonna have at that time. So we did break to the downside, which is, like I said, pretty bad, but as you can see, it did pretty much impact the whole market. So the whole market has been going down. You can just see 5%, 10%, some coins even going down by 15%. So if you do check out Shiba Inu here, Shiba Inu has been going down by 10%, like we did say here. It says here 7, but if you do measure this, it should be around, there you go, 9% even. So 9% right now. We did go down almost here to 10, yeah, 10% basically. Now we're trying to rebound, we're trying to stabilize. You can just see again the RSI is super low right now. I don't think we're gonna go down any lower than this. I think we're going to stabilize right now, and it should be okay. This is where we did find some stabilization, so it's still okay pretty much for the coin. So hopefully we do stabilize in this area between the 0.000785 and 824. Those are the two values here, and hopefully later on we do continue to go up. I think we will, because of that triangle I just showed you. So good things should be happening here to the crypto world. We have to be patient, like I said. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here, but still super excited for everything that's happening. So a lot of people are asking, like, why isn't Shiba Inu going up? Like, what's happening? Why the leash? So leash here has been seeing a huge dump. So what's basically happening is that people are staking their coins. It's a couple of factors here. So because people are staking their coins, basically the value of the coin should be going down, because we're basically losing coins here. And the biggest reason what's happening here is that whales are dumping the coin. Why are they dumping the coin? It's because it's the best time to dump the coin without really losing too much value for the coin. So because they're dumping in really crucial moments for the coin to actually go up, it just rejects the coin and it makes it go down. That's the biggest reason. So they're selling because it's just a really good opportunity, because they know a lot of people do want to buy Shiba Inu, and because that they're selling, so they can take their liquidity, they can take the profit there. So there you go, they're pretty much making smart moves. I think it's okay, because you would cash out if you had a lot of money. Like, guys, come on, like, you're human. You're not gonna hold forever the coin. You have to remember that the whole point of crypto is to sell your coins at one point, or like sell portions of your coins. So there you go. But a lot of people did stake here, and I want to talk about staking. So, but in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.